Remineralizing your teeth, top home remedies. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects us all, maintaining the health of our teeth. With a focus on remineralization, we'll share effective home remedies and lifestyle changes that can help protect and restore your smile. Understanding tooth demineralization. First, let's understand what happens when we talk about tooth demineralization. Our tooth enamel is constantly under attack from acidic foods and bacteria in our mouths. Factors such as sugary snacks, drinks, and even age can contribute to the loss of essential minerals like calcium and phosphate. When these minerals are stripped away, your enamel becomes weaker, leading to cavities and other dental issues. But don't worry. There are ways to combat this process. The power of remineralization. Remineralization is the natural process that allows your teeth to regain essential minerals. You can influence this process positively with certain habits and remedies. Achieving a healthy balance between demineralization and remineralization is crucial for maintaining a bright smile. To start, it's important to brush your teeth regularly with fluoride toothpaste. Not just any toothpaste will do. Fluoride strengthens enamel and makes it less susceptible to future mineral loss. Diet matters, what to eat and avoid. Next, let's talk about diet. What you eat significantly affects your dental health. Reducing sugar is essential. Sugar is a primary food source for bacteria in your mouth, which produce acids that weaken enamel. A 2016 study revealed that frequent sugar consumption is more damaging than occasional treats. So, think about your snacking habits. Opt for healthier snacks that don't compromise your enamel. Also, while fruits are nutritious, pay attention to the acidity. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits can contribute to enamel erosion. Make sure to balance acidic foods by rinsing your mouth with water after eating. Chew on this, sugar-free gum. Now, here's an interesting remedy, sugar-free gum. Research shows that chewing sugarless gum can aid in remineralization. It helps remove sugar and plaque while stimulating saliva production. Saliva is a natural defender of your teeth, as it contains minerals that can help rebuild enamel. Look for gum that contains xylitol or sorbitol, which are known to be beneficial for your teeth. Don't forget your dentist. While you can take many steps at home, it's crucial to maintain regular appointments with your dentist. They can provide personalized advice and check for any early signs of demineralization or cavities. If you're facing significant enamel erosion, they can recommend treatments to help restore your tooth health. Lifestyle changes for stronger teeth. Incorporating a few simple lifestyle changes can contribute significantly to tooth remineralization. Make sure to stay hydrated. Drinking water throughout the day helps wash away food particles and keeps your mouth moist. Avoid frequent snacking, especially with sugary or acidic foods. This limits the number of acid attacks on your enamel. Consider using a remineralizing toothpaste or mouth rinse that contains calcium and phosphate. The bottom line. Taking care of your teeth is a continuous journey. By understanding the factors that contribute to demineralization and implementing these home remedies, you can take significant strides towards stronger, healthier teeth. Oral health is not just about having a perfect smile, but it also impacts your overall well-being. So, start today by adopting these tips and let your teeth benefit from your commitment to good oral hygiene. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.